And hello everyone. Hello. Okay, let me just look if everything works fine. Okay, seems good. So welcome, it's Jeremy, and today it's my 28th day of my challenge of making 10 games in a month. And tonight we are attacking the last project, the 10th one. Wow. I can't still believe it. I can't still believe that I arrived at this point. I made more 28th day. That's just enormous for me, and honestly, I didn't think that I will arrive at this. And I will finish, of course, but wow. Just to say to me in my head that is the last project, wow, that give me motivation to finish these 3 days and to achieve a new thing in my life. So yeah, I think I will be doing maybe a last live or video at the end of this challenge to say all how I think during all of the lives. The moment where I got a lack of motivation, the moment at contrary where I was full of motivation. All of this moment, I think I will be doing a little video. And tonight, for the last project, I decided to make my own game. So not a game that I copy on the store or the existential game, but my own game, and it will be more like a casual game, hyper casual. I don't know. I will putting it more in the casual game, like. I don't have name for now, so if I find a name in this 3 days, I will say it too. If you have some idea, don't hesitate to choose one. So let me explain you what the game consists of. So for that, I think the better will be for me to make a little paint for you to explain you what is my idea. Of course, I will show you the initial idea. I can be changing this during the development. Maybe tomorrow I will have new idea that will change a bit what I will be doing tonight. The project can evolve. That's what you have to remain. So the game consists of what? You will have. Let me draw you something. You will have this here, like this, and let's say I'm going to make that. Yeah, let's make something like that, like this. And I will be doing something like that. Okay, that's not perfect, but that's for the idea. Wait, let me just make that better, like that, and like that. So what is the idea? of the game. Wait. I have to make that here, very important. Here. Oh, I can do it. Okay. It's a game where the goal. Wait, I will be explaining that differently. I don't train myself to explain my project, but for the most intent, there are gonna be a symbol. So gonna be triangle, square, circle, and many other. That will be maybe just put that in another color. Let's put that in red, so it will talk to you better. So there's forms. Maybe with that it will be more talking for you. Okay, so these forms gonna be here in a kind of a ball here. So you're gonna have some not in that color. I'll put that in red. So you're gonna have cycle like this here. You're gonna have some square here, or rectangle here, and you're gonna have some here. I take for example triangle here, all of that, and there's gonna be how to say that, just let me look at the word, a funnel here that will make form goes one by one in this tube. And what is gonna happen is that there gonna be 3 forms in this tube. So here gonna be the first form, the second one, and the third one. And after that, each for a timer, for every 2 seconds, for example, a new form will go down here, and the form that is in the third place will go down here. And as you can see, there's a little SAS here with a little door like this, and maybe make a red square so represent it better. This red square can be moved to the left, to the right, and down there gonna be like little bag or container with different form. For example, the square, and put that in that white color. So the square, the triangle, the circle, and the goal is to put all the forms in the right container. So for example, I say an example for you. If there is a circle here, a square here, and a triangle here, for example, you're gonna switch the port to there first. So sorry. So the door will be here, and the form will go down in the right container. After that, the cycle will go down. So let me erase it. Let's make that like this. So the cycle will go down there, and the triangle will be in the third place here. No, it was a square, sorry. The square will go down there in the third place. The triangle will go in the second place, and a new form here will go down and for example, it can be another square here, and it goes like that. I think you have understand the idea. I don't have a good explanation, but you will see. And the particularity of the game is that the second make that thing good. These two containers, these two parts of the funnel, sorry, will be not visible. I will make an eye here. Whoa. So it will be not visible, but the third one will be visible. Oh, my eye is catastrophic, but wait. Let me make that a bit better. Like this. But the first one will be visible. It means that if there is a square, the triangle, and another rectangle, square, you will see this one, but no this two other one. It means that you have to remain the first form here that will go down, and you have to remember the two other ones. So when the little door here will open and make the forms go down, you will have to put the door at the right place by remembering what was the last form. And it will go down like this and like this. And maybe later, I don't know where I can go or how far we can go on this project. We can imagine that, for example, the timer will go more faster, or there are gonna be a new form. I don't know. It can be. I don't have a form. Let's say it can be a star, for example, or another form. We can add new forms to it, or why not adding a new row to my funnel? Can be an idea too. So the gameplay can be very extendable. You can also add maybe, I don't know, a color that you have to remain. A lot of idea, but the main idea is what I'm showing you right now. So this funnel with the forms are. I don't know if I will keep that in the first place. That is more cosmetic, but for sure this gonna be in the game. After how I be making the door, I'm still thinking how. I'm wondering. Maybe this is gonna be that I can swap the container that can be swapped. I will see that in game. That's the thing that can be changed. The thing that I talked to you a bit earlier, and the form of that. I don't know for now. Maybe I can make that, but just for the cosmetic. But just for the cosmetic effect. Can be an idea. And you make that, and of course you will have a timer. You will have a timer. I write like a kid, but that's okay. And this timer will go faster and faster and faster. So it gives you less time to remember and less time to place your door, of course. And you are going to tell me, okay, but how is it's going to be at the start of a game? Is it going to be already 3 forms, and how can you remember all of them? How it works? So at the start of the game, I think that will be so it will be like this, like this. So there's gonna be no forms, and the first form gonna go down. For example, gonna be a circle. This circle gonna be here in the first place, and when the circle will be here, a square, for example, is gonna appear here. The circle is gonna be here, the square here, and the triangle here. And when all of this form will go down, one by one, of course, the game will be starting, and you will have I don't know, a text print. Maybe what can be an idea? For example, if we are my first here, we can be a text that we call 3, and we go here, it can be 2, and there my 2 1, and after that, let's say the go, and after the go, it will start. And what's the idea? The idea that it will be having my timer in big, for example, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, 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 like this, and it will start again and again. I'm still thinking, but yeah, that's the idea. I'm searching if I'm missing something here, but I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Okay. So now, yeah, I got the door IT. Yes. So I will be making that project in Unity, of course, as usual, and of course it will be without assets first, and I will see how much I will advance in the future. Okay, so now that I think we define everything, we can go in the Unity project. Yes, timer here, all the ID. We can go to the Unity project. Maybe first, without getting here, let's make the script with all the gameplay mechanic that I want to implement. That I think it will be a good idea. So, I want different forms and forms container that can be moved. For example, what I want to is my funnel. So let's make that here. Is my the funnel with the first form that appear, and the form that go down one by one. Here, all the UI, I will just not UI, I will understand. All of this, the funnel here, my form, the door, container with the door here. Optional for now. The ball with all the forms, cosmetic. I mean, that's cosmetics. I don't know if it's right. good. Just let me be sure of this. Cosmetic. It seems to be like this. Okay, perfect. Did I forgot something? Of course, make the start of the game. Like I said at the start, it will be not starting. It will be all the form that go done one by one first, and after that, I think we are gonna be okay. If I forgot something, I will be adding that later, but for now, just let's reduce that a bit. But for now, I think we should be good with that. Okay, so we can now go in the Unity project. Here. So of course, I chose 2D project because I don't think we are going to play with the z-axis, or 2D will be perfect for this task. Okay, so in first we're gonna be making my different forms. Okay. So for that, I can use something that I used yesterday, that's the scriptable object. So I will be only having one prefabs of form. So if I go on my asset, okay, let's make just my folder. So it will be script. Here we have folder material, folder for the prefabs right here, and another one. I prefer to add one for the scriptable objects like this. And we are first going to make a scriptable object, so a new script, calling it forms. So it will be a scriptable object and not a mono behavior, and we're going to add it. So we want a name, public name, public string name. We want what is not happy with. Form name. It's calling it form name. Okay, like this. It's gonna have a material. Form material. What we want to add it. Can I add a tag? True question here. No, of course. Okay, just let me look if we can do that. It's okay, I can do that in the script directory, but just to be, I'm just curious about it. Okay. maybe a public game object point tag. No, you know what? It's okay. Don't need that for now. Just curious about it. Okay, so I was just curious. Okay, so we got the font name for material. We're gonna have the mesh. So public form mesh form mesh here. We're gonna have the mesh. We're gonna form name dash material. And that's it for now. Okay. So now, okay. I'm just needing something I forgot. So to create that scriptable object, we are going to add here create asset menu like this. So I can be adding new scriptable object to my game. Okay, and if I go there, I can go to forms. I can calling it square, for example. Square. Going to create 3 different material. New material is gonna be the square material. Can make that can make it have good color, purple for example, like that. I like this color. Let's make the cycle material just like here. Putting his color to color like this, yeah. And let's make the last one. So it will be what do we have? Square cycle. What is that? Okay, what? The heck is this from? Don't want to. Whoa. Okay, original. Okay. Oh, I can using that. It's original. Okay. I rename isometric diamond material, and this one will be like that. Okay. So let's go back in my scriptable object. So for the square, the form material will be the square material, and the mesh. Oh wait, I think it's gonna be mesh. Do I have to? It's gonna be a sprite. I think it's more a sprite than a mesh. Let's go back here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Whoa, okay. We're going to make something more simple. To make a square here. Copy. Like to we're going there. Paste. Square. Perfect. We are going to make the same for the other one, so it will be more easier for me. And square, sprites, isometric diamond. Okay. Let's just rename that by form sprite and not form mesh. Just like here. So, okay, so we have the square. Oh, I made something bad. Square. Copy property path. Maybe that's why. Here. Paste. Okay, but if I just what? Why there is no square? Why? Why I can't find it? Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go back here. So I got my square, and we are okay that if I delete this, it's still here. So I can delete this the two other ones here, and continue by making not the square one, but the cycle. And in this cycle, we are gonna have the cycle of sprites and the cycle material, and this name will be cycle. Okay, and the little swan will be isometric diamond. Isometric diamond, like this, with the material and this form. So this one, like this. Okay. So now we have our forms. What we're going to make is a prefab. So we're going to make an empty or the object. So I make the square. You can make the square by default by calling form like this, and add it to a new script. So let's create a script calling form, waiting for the compilation. Put in that on my form just right here and go here. So in my form script, we are gonna have public forms here, and we are gonna have so what we change here, name, material, sprite. Okay, so in here in the start, name equals forms point name form name, get component sprite equals forms points forms border texture sprite on error. That's why sprite on error like this, and I suppose that's gonna be sprite just there. Okay, and get component on the error point material will be equals to forms form material like this. Okay. So now if so we have that, and if for example I put the square, we can let, you know what, let's make a diamond. Let's change my layout by 2x3, will be better to see. So it should change my form completely. Okay. So we got the isometric diamond with that. Okay. Let's make the same for the other forms. So for the cycle, for example. So this is the cycle. And the square. And there is a square. Perfect. Just in my what can I change? Oh, I don't know why the color is like this, but I never found why. I never found why, but that's okay. That's not a problem for right now. Okay, so let's head back to my notes. So I got my different forms. Let's make my form container. Okay. Before that, of course, let's make a prefabs of my form here, and we're gonna make the form container. So form container. I'm thinking how I'm going to make that. I think it will be a square like this. In 3 like that. 2 no 3 like that. With this, and I want to form inside. Whoa, fuck is that? Whoa, okay. I'm thinking of how I'm going to make that, because I want my square with 4 minutes. Okay, first, how can I made I'm just asking myself how I'm going to change the inside. If I just put an image on it. No. Okay. I'm just looking how I'm going to make the inside of the square transparent with just only the border, the outline, because I don't know how to make that. I get you back where I found the solution. Okay, sorry, so I'm back. Just looking. I maybe found something that can be good. Just let me lowering a bit the music. I maybe found something that can be working, but I'm not sure. So I got my square here. Outside mask. Okay. Simple. Maybe not that good. Okay. Because I don't want to only make my square. Or maybe can I make something like if I create my canvas here, for example. That's good. And if I put in my canvas an image, a random image. Okay. Okay, let's just look how to make that. Because I got my image here, a bit too, and let's say for example it will be like this. Can I put that in my square? But in that case, maybe no, that doesn't change anything. Just to be sure. No. Okay. That's great. My image is here, but I don't need to make something like that. If I move my square, yeah, of course. An image from the canvas to a game object Unity. Okay. Let me see if we can make something about that. Okay, I'm cutting my mic and give you a bit more of music, and I'll be back when I found something or not. Okay, I'm back, and you know what? I think the best idea will be to making 3 different sprites directly apart. It will be more easier for me. So and change the sprite directly in it. But that's okay. For now, I will be removing that, and let's go back in my square. So it will be a first container. Oh, sorry. Rename. It will be. Please rename. Container. Like this. And we're going to add a script to it. So let's go and my script container like that. Okay, let's add this to it. Okay, so we are gonna have 3 different containers. So for now we're going to have the square, the cycle, and the isometric diamond ones. So how can I be doing that? I got my form. I got my different form here. I can make an enum. Could be an ID. Form container. So it will be square, cycle, isometric diamond, like this. And after that we're going to create so it's going to be private, that's okay. We're going to create public form container, actual container, like this. Wait. Oh. Okay. So now let's set that my actual container will be a cycle for. Wait, seems that okay. Just let me be sure if it's still working. Okay, it still works, perfect. Okay, I don't know, I got some internet issue recently, but that's okay. So I got my different container. What I can be doing is to make it static. I can make it static, yes, that's okay. What I can be doing is to go there, go in my scriptable object forms, and add a public container. Can I directly add form container? Container. Container. And set that public container point This one, I can make that. Enum. Right. Like. I don't know, I need to add this in static, but I don't know how. That's okay. You know what? I'm going to stop myself here. I will continue that container things tomorrow, and I will try before the lives creating the different assets of my container because I'm going to be a bit tired, and I don't think well when I'm tired. So I'm happy that you're following me through my last project. We'll be continuing it tomorrow and finishing it in 2 days. So it was Jeremy, and it was my 20th day of my challenge of making 10 games in a month. I hope you pass a good life, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.